Hey students, let's learn Python. Before starting this course, I assume that you have basic knowledge of how to download a program, how to install program, and basic knowledge of computer. If you have this basic knowledge of computer, you can follow through this course very easily. So first of all, to learn Python, we need to install Python on our computer. For that, you need to go to python.org and you can download the latest version of Python from here, or any version uh, that meets your computer uh, specification. So at the latest version here is 3.11.2, but you can find your the old version here. I am using Windows 7, so I have installed Python 3.7 on my PC. You can install any of them. So first after you find the Python, so just click on 64-bit computer and it will automatically start downloading. So once it is downloaded, you can install it. After that, you need a code editor to uh, start programming the Python. So I already have a Pycharm, which is very useful for working with Python. You can download Pycharm from jetbrains.com/pycharm. So from here you can download the Pycharm for your Python, and we can download the community version, which is free and open source. So once you click here, it will start downloading like this. So I already have downloaded these two on my computer. This is the Python, and this is the Pycharm. So just double click on it, it will follow the instructions, it will be downloaded easily on your computer. So after it is downloaded, you will get this icon and Python will be installed here on app data. No, I cannot access this. This folder is hidden, so you go to folder option, view, show hidden files, app data, and local programs and Python. uh, the Python location where it is downloaded is this one. So you can find all its libraries and compilers, all things here. We will use this in our future tutorials.